Hi, Bob Freeman here with MarineMax in Naples, Florida. I'm here to talk to you about the Sea Ray 2021 270 Sundeck. What a phenomenal boat. It's one of our best-selling boats here. It's powered by the new Mercury Verado 300. It's a fantastic motor. Great giddy up and go. Let's hop on board and see the rest. Here we are on board the 270. Let's start at the back of the boat again with the Mercury 300. Plenty of room on the swim platform on the back, which is a nice addition to this boat. A lot of times with the Outboard motor, it's uptight. You don't have the platform. They keep the platform with SDX on it. Very, very nice. A lounger for 4 people. Very, very comfortably here. Huge storage under this entire thing. So you have enough storage to keep anything that you want on the boat. Plenty of room. It's got the ski piling here. And as we move into the boat, you've got really nice L-shaped seating. So very, very comfortable. You have a table that mounts right here. So very comfortable. You can take these and you can slide them back this way. And slide this one back this way. So you can lounge facing this way, full 360 degrees, so you can have 8 adults very, very comfortable in this boat. Let's move over to the helm area. Nice, neat, clean dash. You've got the recessed Simrad in here. Looks really, really nice. It's all you need for as far as electronics. And then over here we've got the head. And so you've got a pump out head, and you've got a faucet with a window in there for extra lighting and some fresh air. Underneath here, so all dry stuff, knapsacks, pocketbooks, that type of thing, all dry storage, plenty of room in here. And as we move to the bow, U-shaped seating with 2 very nice size lounges with armrests on them, and then you get stereo speakers, and then you have your beach boarding ladder. The beach boarding ladder is fantastic for driving up onto the beach and hopping right out into the sand and then back in without getting wet. So it's got this the tower up there, which is real nice. No canvas rattle on that. Very large. So if you got any questions on it, would like to come see it, my name is Bob Freeman at 603-213-1194.